Hi everyone. In this video, I will share my experience developing and especially troubleshooting client-side JavaScript. Point number one. If you got an error during the execution of the client-side script, attentively recheck the log file that you can download from the error window.
I open Contact Record and get Script Error window. Error states that form context is not defined in unload function. To see detailed log, it's possible to click Download Log File button. Call stack is available in the log file. Sometimes it can be really helpful during troubleshooting. In scenario when you have multiple JavaScript files, log an answer in which of scripts issue occurred. To fix the issue, I go to Visual Studio where I work with scripts and open contact.js file I found in log. I see that code has a typo, form context instead of form context. I fix it and import file back to system. I refresh contact form to see if my change fixed script error and I see warning notification bar at the top of the form. That means that issue was resolved.
Point number two. Use right tools in the right scenarios. For example, for development and testing my scripts, use Chrome development tools.
Sometimes to understand where issue comes from, you have to walk through your code step by step. To do that, I use Chrome Developer Tools. I hit F12 on my keyboard to make Developer Tools appear. The next step is to find your script. In my case, it's located under Content iframe 0 frame, Custom Scripts frame. To set a breakpoint, click on the left panel of Script window. It's possible to set multiple breakpoints if it is needed. Next, cause execution of script. In my case, it is change of field. Code execution is stopped at the first breakpoint. I can see and validate values or form context and parent customer ID inline. To resume code execution, hit F8.
Point number three. Use special methods like console log to grab information about JavaScript execution and debugger to set hard breakpoint inside the execution of the JavaScript.
Use console log to report any information that can be helpful for troubleshooting. I added console log with messages that describe the progress. I imported changes and refreshed the form to see if changes were applied. I hit F12 to make developer tools appear and clean the console. After that, I jump back to contact form and change account name lookup to trigger the script. And again, I back to developer tools window to see execution log. Sometimes it's easier to set breakpoints directly from the code. To do that, add debugger statement to set breakpoint, publish changes, and refresh the form. Hit F12 to run developer tools and jump back to contact form. Cause the script to trigger, in my case it's change of company field. Developer tools window will pop up and code execution will be stopped at the line where you added debugger statement. Now you can check all the data you are interested in before resuming the execution of the code.